Welcome to the grill. And tonight, it's meatloaf night.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
Prepping our meatloaf tonight, we've got 1.3 pounds of some Kirkland Signature organic ground beef from Costco, of course. And then we're going to season it up with some Cavenders and mix in just a kiss of a Papa's Pepper Extreme. And then we're also going to put in a little stuffing here. We're going to add some tri-pepper mix. This is all different colored bell peppers. But bell peppers aren't just enough. We got the Holy Trinity mix of bell pepper, onion, and celery. We're gonna mix all of that in here, make it into a big loaf, and that'll be time for the grill. First, let's start with the mixing. We're gonna come back in with the Cavenders in a minute and a kiss of the Papa's Pepper. We'll dump in our pepper mix, and then the Trinity mix. Don't need that. And we get to mix it. As you mix along, you'll want to continue to add a little bit of your seasoning so it will mix in very well, and as well throughout the rest of the meatloaf. All right, now once you got a good mix like that, we want to come in one more time and do another dusting of seasoning, and then it's ready for the grill. It took 2 hands to handle a behemoth of this meatloaf, so yeah, I had to put it on the grill before I started recording. I got a nice big piece of hickory that's flaming there, and that's going to give us some flavor and smoke, and so we're going to cover it up and let it go for about 10 minutes, and then give it a flip. Came out and gave our meatloaf a flip. Again, it's a 2-hand job. I use my spatula and tongs. I like to flip it over, but we're looking good so far. We'll let it cook a little bit longer. This more about 15-20 minutes because our coals are dying down. Temperature's staying around about 350 to 400 degrees, so that is good. So it's going to take a little bit longer to cook, but we are looking good, so we're trucking along. Now, you could do a coating of ketchup or a coating of barbecue sauce, whichever your preference. With the peppers and onions that I have in it already, I'm going to leave that until after to dress it up as I eat along to add or take away as I want. So we'll let this go along and come back and check it in a little while. Time to check on our meatloaf, and we are looking really good. Yeah, I just probed it with the meat thermometer, and we are looking at a good 170, 180 degrees. So yeah, we are definitely well done on our meatloaf, and it's time to take it off, let it rest a little bit, and give it a taste. Time to test our meatloaf, and I'd say it came out really well. Got some good char marks on it, but cooked all the way through. And so we'll go to a little sliver on the side here. Very tender. Cuts in very easily. Did break up a little bit though. I need to break it up so I can eat it because it's a little bit big of a bite for me to take in. Get all the peppers and veggies on the inside there. Got a good color. So got some good heat to it. So, time for the taste. That is a tasty meatloaf. The mixture of the veggies, the seasoning of the Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, the little heat of the Papa's Pepper, just perfect for it. And that'd be great for meatloaf sandwiches or just as an entree itself with a side dish. of some vegetables on itself with like corn or green beans or maybe even a salad. Maybe get a little healthy with some rabbit food. That will work too. Try this, and I hope you enjoy it. And let me know in the comments whether you did or not. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. And don't forget your favorite beverage. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you next time.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.
Oh yeah, that's some good stuff.